Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss about how to create sheet and title blocks in Revit. So let's start. So here I have created one model. Now I want to create the sheet and title block. So for that simple, come here in view tab. Hit on view tab. In sheet composition panel, here you will get the option sheet. Hit it from here. Otherwise one more option is given. Come here in project browser. In project browser, here you can see one option is given for sheet. See, if you want to open a new sheet, select that sheet, right click. Here you will get the option new sheet. Just hit on that. Now you can see the sheet is visible here, new sheet. So by default one some E1 30 by into 42 horizontal sheet is there. If you want to load some other sheet, other dimension of sheet, okay, so see, from here you have to hit on load. Now in which unit you want to work, so you have to open the Revit libraries. Here different language is given, so we have to work in English language. So here two option is given, English Imperial, English. So it is actually metric unit. Okay, you can see file is written Revit keynotes metric. So if suppose I want to work in English Imperial, so select that. So under English Imperial, from here you have to search the title blocks. Okay, because we have to load the different size of title block. Okay, double hit on that. Now here you can see different size of title block is available. When you hit on that, you can see the preview of that title block. So which type of title block you want, so from here you can load it. Suppose I want to load C17 into 22 horizontal. Okay, select it, open it. Now see, the title block is loaded, C17 into 22 horizontal. You want to take this sheet only, select that. Okay, now see, the sheet is ready here. Okay, now suppose here we have loaded the title block. Now I want to do the changes here. I want to write down the project names and whatever detail like date, issues, date, drawn by whom, checked by whom. Okay, if you want to change the sheet number, that also you can do. For that, what you have to do, select the title block from the drawing, and here in properties palette you will get the option sheet name. So sheet name, what you want to give sheet name, so from here you can change it. Suppose sheet name I have written, this is Sajjad. Okay, sheet number if you want to change, so I don't want to change the sheet number, I want A101 only, so just leave it. Sheet issue date, if you want to change, you can change it manually. Drawn by whom, so write down the name of who drawn the. Okay, so I have written the checked by whom, suppose checked by Ahmed sir. Okay, designed by whom, write down the designer name, Faisal. Okay, now approved by whom, write down the engineer name who are approving, suppose engineer Anas. Okay, so in this way you have to do the changes. Then when you hit on apply, see, automatically that things whatever you have done the changes, it is here. Day, drawn by whom, checked by whom, and number, sheet number, and sheet name also I have changes. So if you want to do the changes, so from here also it is possible. Now see, if you want to write down the project number, just double hit on that like this and write down the number like 001. Okay, then left click, see, the project number is updated. Now you want to write down the issue date. Okay, write down the date, any date. Okay, as per your requirement. So 12 12 2023, 21 suppose, or 22 12 means December 12th month 2023. So I have written the date, drawn by everything you can change. Suppose from here you want to write down the owner name. Okay, suppose you don't want that owner name, so you can anything you can do. Suppose project name owner, I am writing here, in place of owner just write down, this is our architecture drawing na? So I am writing here architecture layout. Okay, enter. See, now project name is what, uh, in architecture layout, this is our home plan, so I'm writing home plan or house plan, whatever, enter. See, in this way you can change everything manually also. Okay, now the next thing, see here, some data is given like www.autodesk.com and this thing, consultant name, address. I don't want to see some option here, I don't want to see this option, but I'm trying to delete from here. But see what happened, it is not possible because total title block is selected. So if you want to delete, if you want to remove something from title block, so you have to select the title block first of all, modify tab, mode panel, edit family option is given, hit on that. Okay, now here you can easily delete the which you don't want. So I don't want to see this thing, consultant, address and everything, just delete this also. Okay, in this way you can do the changes. Okay, after doing the changes, finally what you have to do, one more option is given, see here, project name, hit on that project name. So when you hit here, you will get the property palettes. From here, see horizontal alignment is center, you want to change as a right, you can change it, then hit on apply. See, now the text will be on right side. If you don't want to see in right side, you want to see in the center only, select the center, apply. Now see, in this way you can change the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. Okay, everything is given. Now suppose you want to change the color of this text, by default it is black color, you don't want this, you want to change the color or text size, everything you can do. Select the text and in edit type, when you go here, see by default it is black color, you want to change the color, hit on that, suppose green color you want or red color. Okay, okay, line weight, background transparent, here I have, if you want to see the border also, just check it. From here you can change the text font also. Okay, what you want, text size, tab size, if you want to see the project name as a bold, so check it, apply. Okay, now see, here we have done the changes. Now what I am doing, suppose this changes you have done, now finally load into project and close. Here, do you want to save changes to C17 into 22? Yes. Unable to write to C20, it is read only or open by someone else. Okay, one more time. Load into project. Don't need to hit on load into project and close. Fine, you have to hit on load into project and here you will get one dialog box. Just hit on override the existing version. Now see, everything is changed. Okay, but the problem is what, see, I think it is not coming here. So what you can do, just double hit, replace the layout on the architecture. Okay, now it is clear. See, we have taken bold and everything, whatever changes you have done you can see in this title block. Now the next thing, okay, this is all about the title block setting. Now the next thing is what, suppose you want to show this is our plan, okay, model, 3D model. So you want to show any like any floor plan here in this sheet. Okay, so how you can take that floor plan or 3D view or elevation view in this sheet? So we have a different option for that. First option is what, in view tab, sheet composition panel, here you will get the one option, place view. Hit on that place view. Now which view you want to place in the sheet? From here, suppose you want to place the floor plan level 1, select it from here, add view to sheet, hit on that. Now see, automatically here that floor plan level 1 is there, but the size is so high. When you place, see, now you can you want to reduce the size, okay, you can do that. Okay, we have that option. So for that, come in our plan, open the level 1. See, here generally what happen, when you see your crop view, crop region option is given. If you want to crop, you don't want to see when I'm in sheet, so I don't want to see the elevation which is visible here. When I want to add the floor plan level 1 in this sheet, so I don't want to see the elevation. Okay, so you have to open your level 1 floor plan in level 1, Just take cursor near to any elevation, right click. See here you will get the option hide in view. So you just select I want to hide by category. See, now that elevation view is not visible now in your floor plan. Now when you come in this sheet, see, can you see that in sheet? No, in sheet also it is not visible. Same way, suppose you don't want to see this external layout, you want to see only the plan. Okay, so for that, see, when you come here in floor plan level 1, here you have a option crop view. So just check it from here, crop view and crop region both. So when you hit on this crop view, see, automatically here you will get the crop view or crop region. So from here you can crop it how much you want to see the I want to see up to here only the plan I want to see. So okay, drag it from here like this, and I don't want to see the lighting and everything, only the plan like this. That much of view I want to see. Okay, now when you come in this sheet, so that much view it is visible here. Now where you want to move, you can move it. Suppose I want to place here, getting? But see, the problem is what, here you will get this line. So for that, now again you have to just delete this. Now again try to place the, so view tab, sheet composition place view, hit on that. Now which view I want? The floor plan level 1. So you want to add the floor plan level 1, so hit on add view to sheet. Now see, now you will get the line properly. Okay, so in this way also you can place, otherwise see, okay, first option is what, in view tab sheet composition value place view. Second option, suppose you want to place the level 1 here in sheet. So what you have to do, just select the level 1, drag it and then place it inside the sheet. But here the option is, oh, this view is already placed, so that is why the problem is coming. Okay, because already we have placed the level 1. Suppose select the level 2 and place it where you want to place. See, now place it. Now you can do the changes. Okay, so I'm deleting from here. So two ways there, getting this thing. So in this way you can do the setting. Now when you come in this sheet, suppose I don't want to see this one line is showing here. So okay, if you don't want to see the line, so this line reason, so for that select it, and here you can see crop view option is given. Uncheck it, crop region unchecked. But see, when you uncheck the crop region, problem is what? Apply. So only if you don't want to see this border, so you have to uncheck crop region, apply. Okay, if I just, if see, I'm trying to uncheck crop view, so problem is what here, that whatever view you have cropped, that also visible. Okay, so remember, always you have to check it, crop view and crop region also, getting this thing. So remember this point. Now the next thing, come here in floor plan. From here what I am doing, see, unchecked, apply. Now see, that region will be height when you come in this sheet. So now here also the boundary line which we have taken, crop region, it is not visible. Same thing if you don't want to see this level 1, okay, that also you can hide it. But remember, here from here you can change the scale also. How you can change the scale of this drawing? Select the drawing. Okay, when you come here in property panel, view scale option is given. See, from here you can select any of the scale which you want. Okay, different scale is given. Custom option is also given. From here you can just change it as per your requirement. Now the next thing is what, I don't want to see this title. Okay, a level 1 and out this thing I want to hide. So for that, select that title from the drawing. Here you will get the edit type property, hit on that. Now see, in title You don't want to see the title, so in title, view title option is the given, that is why it is viewing in your drawing. If you don't want to see, select it, none, apply, okay. Now see, the title is height. Same way, hit on edit type. You don't want to see the line also, see this extension line, so uncheck this, apply, okay. Now see, the extension line is also height, okay. So everything you can do from here. If you want to show the title, so you can hit on yes, no, show extension line. You can change the color of that title, line pattern, everything from here. So here we have placed the floor plan. Now same thing, I want to see the title, so edit type, hit on view title and extension line also, apply, okay. Now see, the title level 1. Now I want to place the 3D view of my drawing. So for that, what you have to do, just in 3D view, simple, select that, drag it and place it like this. See, it is very simple. Where you want to place it anywhere. See, the 3D model is ready now. Now the problem is what here, we have to do this setting as I told you. So come here in 3D view, and here same thing you have to do. You don't want to see the level here. See, you want to hide the level. So for that, you have to use the command VG. Under model category, you have to search level. Where is level? Anywhere it is visible, level. But from here, just select the architecture first, uncheck all this. Only I want to see the architecture. I think level is not given because model category, in annotate category you can see the level unchecked, because if you have unchecked, if a category is unchecked, it will not be visible in your drawing. Apply, okay. Now see, the level will be height. Same way, when you come here, here also you cannot see the level. Now next thing, you want to crop it. If you don't want to see the complete external layout also, so you can crop it also, okay. Now where you want to place, so as per your requirement, just move it and place it. So suppose I want to crop this drawing little bit, okay. So for that, you have to open the 3D view from here. Now as I told you, what you have to do, here you will get the option crop view, hit on that, apply, okay. And crop region is also given, just check it, apply. Now here you will get the, from here you can crop it like this. You want to see up to here, okay, in this way. Now come here in sheet. After doing this, now see, it is visible, but I don't want to see the crop region here. So again in 3D, just uncheck crop region, apply. See, now when you come in this sheet, now you cannot view that region. Same way, now if you want to show here the elevation drawing, okay, which elevation, suppose north elevation, select the north elevation, drag it and place it anywhere where you want to place. So suppose I have placed for before placing, I want to move this view here a little bit. You can crop it little bit more, okay. So what I'm doing, crop region, apply, just little bit more, crop it here up to here, okay. Now it is clear. Come here in sheet, you can move it little bit like this, okay. I don't want to see the crop region, so in 3D view, from here you have to uncheck the crop region, apply, okay. Now when you come in this sheet, so now see, the crop region is here. You can hide, if you want to hide the line, you can hide it, or otherwise just you can delete the if you want to delete, you can delete, or if you want to hide, so same thing as I told you, hit on that, edit type. From here, you don't want to view the title, no, I don't want to see the extension line also, apply, okay. Now see, the line is not visible. Same way, now what I want to do here, I want to show the elevation view, north elevation, select the north elevation, From here also you can do view tab, sheet, composition panel, place view. Which north elevation I want to see, hit on that, add view to sheet. Now place it anywhere where you want. See, this is our north elevation. So now when you come here in this, open the elevation plan, north elevation. From here you can do the same thing. Select crop view, crop region. Now here you will get the region. I want to view up to here only, and this one here. Okay. When you come in this sheet, same changes you can see here also. Now you can move it. Select that north elevation, move it like this. Okay, but I don't want to see the crop region here. Okay, so for that you have to come here in north elevation. From here you can select and uncheck the crop region, apply. See now in sheet also, sorry it is not there, 1 minute, huh? Okay, it is done. Here also you don't want to see, select it, crop region, uncheck that region, apply. Now see, you don't want to see this level also. Okay, that also you can change it. Okay, so in this way we have to create a sheet and title block. Same way if you want to place any schedule, that also you can do. How to change the scale, that also I have explained. You select the drawing, from here you will get the view scale, just change it as per your requirement. So this is all about how to create sheet and title block in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.